Healthy weight loss, the form of the detoxification diet. Lasting and healthy weight loss can not only improve self-esteem, but can also be an essential part of improving overall physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. However, many weight loss approaches result in the victim, you, doing all the wrong things and eating all the wrong foods, which leads to weight gain. If you lose weight in a healthy way, your weight loss is permanent. Weight Watchers damage the metabolism. I've seen many people follow a program like Weight Watchers and completely ruin their metabolism by losing more muscle than fat. They are applauded every week for improving their weight loss through muscle loss. In the end, this person increases due to the slowdown in metabolism due to muscle loss, which is intimidating to say the least. Detox diet and weight loss. No healthy detox weight loss plan is complete without a balanced diet with real food. I recommend a colorful Mediterranean diet that is modified to have a low glycemic index. A healthy diet does not mean eliminating all carbohydrates. It also doesn't mean that you keep your shelf with low-fat foods. Instead, you should eat a diet high in protein, lots of non-starchy vegetables, and limited amounts of healthy beans, fruits, and nuts. Certain limited amounts of whole grains would be optional. Of course, no detoxification diet would be complete without plenty of pure water. Detoxification and weight loss. In addition to a nutritious diet and plenty of water, exercise is also important for detoxification when losing weight. Whatever kind of movement you like, the most important thing is to get started. Try running 5 times a week for about 30 minutes. It not only trains and burns calories, it also displaces the lymph and stimulates blood flow through the tissues, which is essential for good detoxification. If you live in a northern climate where walking outdoors can be dangerous due to slippery winter conditions, most malls accept hikers who do sports. If you don't like running, you should go to a local gym. There are usually many cardio options such as bikes, ellipticals, kick machines, treadmills, etc. In addition, most gyms offer weight machines, free weights, balls, etc. Most gyms also offer courses such as spinning classes, aerobics classes, and more. If you have to choose between cardio and resistance, science shows that in the long run, you will burn more fat through resistance exercises, especially if you do large compound movements that train large muscles in groups, increasing your strength heart rate. This high-intensity approach boosts your metabolism for more than 48 hours. So it's better to do resistance and aerobics, but you can be sure that a simple 150-minute walking program a week will work with a weight loss plan based on a scientifically based detox diet. If you can't do it alone, it can be worth investing in a personal trainer to burn healthy fat. Although personal trainers may seem expensive, they can often prevent injuries by making sure you use them properly. I know that an injury can be a distant thought to you at the moment, but believe me, an injury can really delay your weight loss and goals in reducing belly fat. Imagine you couldn't do that at all. Instead of making maximum efforts, it is best to secure a little to avoid injury. Train, don't strain is the buzzword. I like it when my personal trainers have a touch of gray, when you know what I mean. This increases the likelihood that they have suffered their own training injuries. The injury experience makes you a smarter personal trainer who can better help you avoid injuries that can stop your weight loss progression. Diet pills are rubbish. By reading my article on diet pills, you know that 99.99% of diet pills are pure garbage. The only diet pills that really work without a rebound effect are those that nourish the body's detoxification pathways.